Hi, it's Alicia, and today I just have a really short unboxing. I've been looking forward to this album for like a really long time, and it's actually like really late right now. Just got home from like a study group. So this was an MWAVE album. It is Eric Nam's interview. I can see the signature already. So the signature. In the back, the track list. And this is actually really cool, like the disc, how it's placed. See. Goes like that and it comes out.
Been a long day on your own. Time can never be oh so slow. I've been trying to get back home to you. I stop at every light, no, nothing ever goes your way, alright. But I'll make it up to you. For you, oh baby, you. For you, oh baby, you. Yeah, sending your love through your phone. Pick you up when you alone. 'Cause I'm good for you. I'm your sun that'll shine through the rain. And I'll be your coffee that gets you through your day. Yeah, let me know if you need me now, and I'll be right there to array. Now, baby, I'll be good for you. Need a little break, go ahead. I'll wake you when you're ready, baby. Close your eyes and go ahead, drift away. For you, oh baby, you. For you, oh baby, you. Yeah, ever you need, let me know. For you, I'm on call 24.
Thank you for watching my unboxing, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.